what's up YouTube, it's your boy Mario. So I'm here in my car chilling with my homie Germs.
What up?
And then my boy Johnny, you can't see him. But yeah, we're at the car wash. We're about to wash our cars. And then we're gonna go to a car meet. Like I'm really excited about this car meet because like I love cars. Like I'm a car enthusiast. I'm excited about that. And yeah, yo Johnny, my boy Johnny. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Mario. I'm a bodybuilder and I have a competition several months from now. And I'm daily vlogging my life up until this show, but I like to incorporate other aspects of my life other than just the gym. So if you like to keep up with that, subscribe down below, as well as add my social medias, just so you could like, you know, keep up with me and we could build a little community. Like I'm barely getting started. This is my 41st day doing this. Well, 42. And I want to see where I'll be like day 90, day 120. You know, like I'm excited. Right, Germs?
Hell yeah.
Let's go. Yo, my boy Luis is here. We're about to get this going. Let's go. Yo guys, so my boy Jeremy is gonna drive my car to this other car wash slots. This is the first time driving my car. I don't know what, let's see what he does. Okay. Yo. Okay. Look, reverse. You press down.
Oh, okay.
And then you go to the side and you go.
Okay.
Now you're reverse.
Now.
Press the brake.
I know.
Okay, don't let go of the clutch.
I know how to drive a stick.
Yo, I'm a little bit nervous.
I know.
Okay, there you go. Keep going. Okay, there we go. Oh, somebody took it. Yo, honestly, Germs, I'm pretty surprised.
I know how to drive stick, dude.
Yo, good shit, bro. Good shit.
Hell yeah.
Yo, guys. So, oh god. Yo, so we're here at the car meet. It's like over there in the garage. You can see people up there. But yeah, we're just waiting for our homeboy Johnny to come, and then we're gonna go see cars. Like, look at that, the 350Z, like with the body kit, looks nice. I'm excited. But yeah, I'm about to make this little montage. Enjoy. Oh, guys, there's an NSX. Look at this Beamer. So that looks sick. There's a bunch of cool cars out here, but I'm just excited to see that. Look. So, if you guys don't know, these two are legends, bro. Oh, okay, this one right here, that's an old school GTR. Oh god. That's an R3020, and this is an old school Audi Quattro, like 20 valve. When Audi first started making sports cars, and like this was the one that they first came out with. Yo, like this, oh my god, these things are Yo guys, so we just finished looking at the cars, and honestly, like, the presentation wasn't that good. Like, we were hyped at the beginning. We were like, yo, let's go, we're gonna go see some cool cars. We go in there, we saw some good cars, and then like the wow factor wasn't there. Like, I'm not trying to be a critic or anything, but like, I was expecting at least like a supercar in there. Like, I did see like supercars, basically the NSXs and the GTRs, but like at least like a Lambo or a Ferrari, or like old school Ferraris and stuff, you know? Maybe one or two. Corvette, maybe. There's no Corvettes. But other than that, guys, it was cool. So I'm just here with my homies. We're just gonna go chill. And yeah. So I don't know if this is the end of the video, but if it is, if you like and enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up. As well as subscribe down below to keep updated with me and future videos, because this is just the beginning. And a cameo from my boy Germs. Oh, Johnny Luis doesn't want to jump in. Pooper. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. What? Yo guys, so it's late at night and I'm gonna be helping my parents because they're working hard, and well, it's not they're working hard, and I'm gonna help them just because they're my parents, and they're by themselves doing this like about 11 at night. They need my help, so I'm gonna help them, guys. I was gonna end the video at the car meet because it's been a weird, like, slow, chill day, but nothing too exciting. I didn't want to show you guys like boring stuff, but like I didn't know they were working, so I'm gonna go help them out, just be the good son, and you know,